trying to explain why I'm saying this is hard. For me, showing you how to say it is easier.
Okay. I thought you meant you wasn't going to explain it all.
No, that's like because I'm explaining as I'm saying it.
Mm-hmm.
Like, okay, I clearly say, hey, just take a picture of this. I can see how this looks. I can see what I am not taking the photo, so I can't see it.
Right.
But yeah, that's the difference. Oh, right.
So, right here.
Alright, so, right, you see like the light and stuff is behind me? So that's what I was making sure, like, so if this is the, so here, if you're sitting right there, you come down a little bit, or if you can hold the camera low and still see.
Oh, yeah. Gotcha.
But yeah, I was gonna say come down a little, but if you can see it from there, no stress with that. And whatever that silhouette is behind me, that way I'm still the focal point, but then you have like this awesome light behind me, this like dark shadow right here.
Okay.
And I'm just making sure that I'm in frame. If you don't, that way you don't figure out if you want this in the background, if you want just me. If I need to turn this way, like you have more shots and more options in this one pose than you would if I just went back to doing that or the other way. But I can show you better than explaining it in a way like that.
Okay.
So like again, we're gonna do it again just because now I got that together. I just want to see if I want the hair here or all the way behind. If you want to see if you want this in the shot. We need to know if I want to face this way, if I want to be off center. But I think this way is the way I want to face.
Okay.
Make sure my footing is right. I'm just fixing little small things so you can just see. Show me. See if I was explaining it right and then get you over the camera. See, I would tell me. Okay, if you want, you can grab the phone so you can show you what I'm saying. That way, that's how I can explain this. Okay. And this. Okay. Yeah, okay. It can see me. So, this is the photo. I would tell me to, like, I pressed the button.
Yeah, press play.
I did that. See?
Yeah.
Okay. I would just tell me to sit up straighter. Not that, my pudge is up straight, but it would just make this more aligned.
Right.
And I just want to look a little bit more. Relax my hands. And come up all the way up against the board that's back
So slide
here.
back a little bit more.
Yeah, so this is the photo, so you can get it all together. And I'm going to try to fix those adjustments.
Mm-hmm.
So that's like, if you have like a image of how you already can see the shot being set up, or how many other ways you can go from there, it's easier. So that way you can easily go from boom to a low angle to a high angle to front angle, like with one pose.
Right.
That's why we with the professional, y'all,
Ruining these pants. I'm gonna continue to keep sitting on this tree. There will be no shots from behind because I ruined my pants. Shot silly. Alright, but you see now I'm like scooting back more on the tree. This gets more comfortable. That just means I have to readjust myself on the tree. And to sit up, this no longer looks like it's sitting in.
Right.
It's more upward. So that way, if you were to go here, I'm not slumped down.
Which I will. I'm gonna take like 2 from this side and then come around to the
Okay. So that's my pants impression is just gonna see through the shirt anyway. But now I can tuck in my legs, so my leg was out too far.
Right.
And I'm sitting up now.
Show your hands rested. Comfortable.
I think that's the thing. When we take our regular pictures, I remember that hump that was there from when I was hunched over and not sitting up against the.
You can. Yeah. That's
Yeah,
good.
yeah. Oh God, that's so much better now. Now that I'm sitting up, the only thing I would say is come down. Like, you might have to lean down.
Mm-hmm.
Like, you're gonna have to like get down to get the full view of what's past me, with me being in the way.
Gotcha.
'Cause now we're just doing
Good.
the shadow on the ground instead of the lightness in the background.
Gotcha.
And to explain, yeah, right here. Like, you should see how you get the shadow right here.
Mm-hmm.
You should be able to get the light in the background. Past me. I moved it off the viewfinder, so if you want to put it back on the.
What you mean? You moved it on?
I hit the.
Oh no, I was.
I don't know the name of the button.
I was taking it like this anyway.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
Alright, so let me get my butt back where I was sitting. Go over there, Mr. Ant. Go over there, Mr. Ant. Sorry.
What was it about?
It was an ant. Okay, let me put my hand back. Be comfortable, rested. My hand, I just make sure when I'm saying like my head needs to be sitting up, it's just pulled straight up. So that's what I was doing when I was ready. So if you see me do that, I'm ready. There you go. I'm in the shadow. I am the shadow. I am in the shadow. Okay, so I can show you the whole setup here. Oh, that's pretty much better. Okay. So that's the final. Oh no, there's a glare. Okay.
There it is.
Look, I'm telling you, this is how you know I'm not a makeup YouTuber. We're using our hands.
Yeah. Play.
Oh, why do I hit the? I be hitting the wrong buttons. That's why I don't have a camera.
One more time. There it is.
So, there we go.
Okay. Yeah.
So see, now I'm fully in the shadow, and then he has all the light that's in the back. This is your cool side, your warm side, and I'm still in the center of the photo. I'm completely in it, and I'm going through something, y'all. I don't know what I'm going through, but I'm going through something.
Yeah.
And now, if he wanted to, he could take this at any other angle. We could just be focused on me. You could change the narrative of what's going on, or.
Mm-hmm.
But now you have both two contrasts of the photo.
Yeah. So.
And I'm completely centered. There's no weird bulging area. Cause I'm a girl. So I was like, oh, why he didn't tell her to sit up? That look like she just hunched up. I fixed it already.
She fixed it, y'all. So I'm gonna take some from different angles, but y'all won't see. Y'all already got the tutorial part, so y'all should be good. Plus, I don't like these long videos. We're like at 9 minutes already.
Oh God, it's so
Yeah,
long.
right. So
I don't do long videos of mine either.
yeah. So